Welcome friends, welcome to concepts.com. So in last video of banking awareness we have seen the first chapter where we have discussed the importance of bank in Indian economy and three different phases of banking sectors in India. Okay. In today's video we are going to see the second chapter where basically it's a short video where we will be just going to see what is bank and what are the different types of bank. Okay, so let's start. Before that, all of you whoever is seeing this video, please like and subscribe to our video. If you subscribe to our video, it will be very easy for me to inform you guys when the new video will be coming. Okay, so first thing that you should subscribe to the video. Concepts.com is an educational channel where you will find all the video related to the IBPS and SSC examinations. So definitely it is going to help you. Okay, now let's come. What is bank? Bank are the financial institution which accept deposits from the people and give loans to the needy people for the purpose of consumption or investment. So what it will the bank do? It's a financial institution. So what it will do? It will accept a deposit from one people and give loans to another people. So let's suppose I am having a lot of money with me. So what I'll do? I'll go and deposit in the bank. Okay. So bank will accept my deposit. Now, if some other guy he don't have any money and he wants to take some loan, either for the investment or for starting a business or for any other purpose like for buying home, cars or anything. So he will approach to the bank and he will ask for a loan. So what the bank will do? Whatever money I have deposited, he will utilize that money and give the loan to that guy. And bank will charge an interest. So that interest itself is a profit for the bank. Okay. Now let's see what are the types of bank we have. So we are having the different types of bank like commercial bank, industrial bank, agriculture bank, exchange bank, saving bank, central bank. Okay. Now let's see one by one. What is this commercial bank? The bank which accept deposits and lend money to the people for consumption or for investment purposes. These banks normally advance short-term loans to businessmen and traders and avoid medium-term and long-term lending. Commercial bank is nothing but what we see in the market. Okay, like for the normal people, for the common man, if I want to invest somewhere, so I'll take a loan, or if I want to buy a car or if I want to buy a home and all these things. So particularly for the short term, if I want any kind of loan, so this commercial bank will provide us. Second is industrial bank. Industrial bank meet the medium term and long term financial needs of the industry. So industrial bank will basically gives loan or money to the industrial sector of big industry. So huge loan it will give to the industry and all. Okay. So what exactly it will do? It will accept a long-term deposits. They provide long-term loans to the industries for the purchase land, construction, factory buildings, purchase heavy machinery. So what will happen in terms of industry? They need money for the long term because they usually if I want to buy a car, so I will pay the money in the five or 6 years. So for that commercial bank is there. But industry what will do? Industry for setting up an industry itself it will take around 6 to 7 years, and after that it will come into the function. So industrial industries need loans for the long term, and their industrial bank is coming. Third is agriculture banks. As the name itself suggests, agriculture bank provides loans for agriculture activities, a short-term credit to buy seeds, fertilizers, and other inputs, long-term credit to purchase land to make permanent improvements on the land, to purchase agriculture machinery and equipments. Fourth is exchange bank. These banks finance foreign trade of a country. Their main function is to discount, accept, and collect foreign bills of exchange. They buy and sell foreign currency and thus help businessmen in their transactions. Fifth is saving bank. Saving bank is they accept a small sums as a deposit from the people. They encourage savings of the poor and middle class people. In India, we do not have such a special institution, but post office performs such functions. Okay, so saving banks usually encourage the poor peoples or the lower middle class people to save a small sums, even if it's 50 rupees, 10 rupees, 100 rupees like that. So this type of bank will accept even that as well. Sixth type is central bank. Central bank is an apex institution which controls, regulates, and supervises the monetary and credit system of the country. So what is a central bank is an apex bank. So in India, Reserve Bank of India (RBI) is the central bank, or it's also called apex bank or apex institution. So this is one of the important question. One question that which is the central bank or apex bank of India. So the answer will be the RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Now let's see what are the important functions of the central banks are. It has monopoly of note issue. So RBI will be responsible for the note issue. No, none other banks will have this right to issue a note. Only Reserve Bank of India, also called central bank and apex bank, will have the monopoly of the note issue. It acts as a banker to the government. It acts as a banker to the banks. So what will do for us? Bank is there. Means if I am a normal people, so if I want to save some money or if I want to take any sort of loan, I will approach to the bank like Axis Bank, SBI Bank, UCO Bank, and all these things. But what will be the bank for bank itself? Like there are multiple banks and they want to deposit their money or take loans. What they will do? For them, RBI acts like a bank. So it acts as a banker to the banks. Fourth is supervision of the bank. So RBI is responsible for taking care of the banks. So they will do all sorts of audit. They will take care that bank is running with the correct policy or not. And all these things, all kind of supervisions will be taken care by the RBI. Fifth is it serves as the lender of the last resort. Or it is the custodian of member banks reserve. Then it is the custodian of nation reserves of international currency. So all the international currency will be stored in the RBI itself. It functions as a bank of central clearance, settlement, and transfer. It acts as the controller of credit. So basically, RBI, a central bank, will be responsible for taking care of all these type of banks. It will control the small banks. Okay. So that's it for in this video. There we have already seen what is the bank and what are the different types of banks in India. Okay. So now keep visiting conceptfix.com for study material and online test series. You can also register for our online study material where we get topic wise study material and practice sets as well as the online test series. Okay. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.